again, brother, this is another advice I want to give you. Don't block the way for another person's child. I get it. Don't block a way for another person's child. Sometimes you will sit down, you look at yourself, you look at this lady. How old are you? How old is she? Are you getting me? Let's just assume she's 23, you are 25. You are struggling, things are not working. Now you are, let's say 30, she is 27, right? 27. And you see, you know fully well this journey is going to be long. Are you getting me? It's still going to be very long before things become settled. Don't be wicked. Call this girl, let her know the truth. This journey is still going to be long. Can you wait? If you can't wait, I will gladly support you to follow your heart. Are you getting me? It is an honorable exit. Not because if she wants to be with you, are you getting me? She will be with you. But she doesn't want to, if he knows that, if you can come to her and tell her, this is how things are for me right now. It's not that I don't believe in myself anymore. I do. If you can wait and let us walk on this journey to the end, fine. But if you cannot wait, I don't want to waste your time. If you want to, I will give you that hand and move on. Are you getting me? So sometimes there are other pretty women out there, because the women doesn't have this kind of advantage like men has when it comes to marriage, especially this part of the world. Women don't have that advantage. So you can't just keep someone's child, I get me, dating and dating and dating for how many years? Nothing is working out, and you still keep dating. So let her go. Are you getting me? See, the things that I know today, I wish I knew them then. I'm telling you, I wish they could have saved me from a lot of rubbish, a lot of mistakes that we made in the past. I'm telling you, see, these people, by the time you settle that deal, if she is willing to give her free hand, if you want to, it should let you know. You will be amazed. This woman will forever respect you like this. Forever respect you. Because that is what we call utmost love. When you are willing to sacrifice your happiness for her happiness, it means you really love her. So things are not working out. You want her to wait. She cannot marry you. You yourself, you can't even marry yourself at that stage that you are. Are you getting me? So what are you going to do? So don't just keep her, keeping her when her prime time is fading out. And you are seeing it very well, it's fading out. If by her choice says she wants to stay and wait for you, you know she's the one that wants to stay. But try to make her feel bad by leaving you. If he leave you now, after all I've done for you, after this year, you want to leave me like this? No, I will not. No, don't behave like a boy. Behave like a man. If you're ready to move on, fine. It's fine by me. I will support you, give you every support that you need. So I'm telling you, it's what I have done before. All right? It got to a point I know this journey will be long. Are you getting me? I called her. I said, can you see? Wait. He said, I cannot. I said, okay. You see, let us. You can go ahead. If you see anybody you like, you can let me know. Simple. And that's it. And I was still involved in the relationship she was in. When anything happens, she still come here and tell me, hey, I thought these people, all guys are like you, but this one is not like you at all. I can't continue. I said, what's the problem? He will tell me. I said, okay, you know what? You cannot find somebody like me. You just have to try to accept them the way they are. I will still be the one advising. Even when she found one that broke her heart, she still called me. I was still the one consider. It's okay. You just have to. He said, how did you manage to even forget about me? I said, yes, I did forget about you. But I just have to be a man. I will not kill myself. Life goes on. So this thing, I still keep encouraging her. I said, don't kill yourself. God just saved you from an idiot. And you are there, want to kill yourself. You should be, go do Thanksgiving. When is it Thanksgiving? Let's celebrate the exit of that mumu. The way you are laughing at, that's the way she was laughing that night. Somebody that was crying when she came in, she laughed, went to sleep. Why? Because that's it. Why? Because I gave her an honorable exit. That's it. And she still respects me for that. So, brother, do the needful where you know your power not reach.